2019 Hyundai Tucson revised with new styling and convenience tech. The Hyundai Tucson gets significant updates for the 2019 model year, with freshened styling all around, to bring its look in line with the brand new Kona and Santa Fe crossovers, revised engine options, and more of the safety and convenience technology that buyers have come to expect from the small crossover category. Gone is the 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine option in the Tucson, replaced by a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter engine with 181 horsepower and 175 pound-feet of torque. This same engine was just announced for the 2018 model year, available exclusively in the Tucson Sport, but the 2019 refresh puts the uprated mill in the Cell, Sport, and Limited trims. A 2.0-liter engine is standard in value and SE trim levels, where it makes 164 HP and 151 lb-ft. The Tucson gets redesigned fascias front and rear, with Hyundai's latest cascading grille design. Unlike the Santa Fe and Kona, the Tucson has traditional single-unit lighting clusters that extend from the top corners of the grille. A smaller, angular set of driving lights sit well below the headlights. Interior changes are less noticeable, but the addition of optional second-row USB charging ports and key wireless smartphone charging add convenience to upper trim levels. A 7-inch touchscreen comes standard and includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Forward collision avoidance and lane keeping assist are standard on all 2019 Hyundai Tucson models. A surround view monitor, pedestrian detection, high beam assist, rain sensing wipers, smart cruise control with stop and go, and a driver attention warning system are optional. Expect to see the 2019 Hyundai Tucson in dealerships this fall. In the meantime, check out our high-res image gallery above, and stay tuned for more. Hyundai is rumored to have an N-branded high-performance version of the Tucson in the works.